Hi, kindergarten. Our lesson today is called My Town and City. Our learning target says that we can make a map of our town or city. Let's go. Places in a Town by Karen Jones. We all live in a town or city. Not all towns and cities are the same, though. There are many different places and things to do where you live. Some of these places may be in your town or city, and some may not. As you read this story, make a list of all the places that are in our town. We all live in a home. There are lots of different types of homes in a town or community. Can you name some? Another important part of a town or community is roads. Roads help us travel from place to place. Do we have roads in our town? Many towns and cities have schools. You are probably at a school right now. Many of us need stores to buy things like food and clothing. Many towns and cities have stores like shopping malls and grocery stores. Do you have stores in your town? The food that we eat comes from farms all around the world. Some of us have farms in our town that make some of the food that we eat. Do you have farms in your town? Police officers keep the people in our town safe. Most towns or cities have police stations where the police officers work. Do you have a police station in your town? If there were a fire, who would you call for help? That's right, you'd call the fire department. Many towns and cities have firefighters that will help put out fires in homes and buildings. Do you have a fire department in your town? Where do people go when they are sick? They may go to a doctor's office or hospital to get help and feel better. Do you have a hospital in your town? Sometimes you just want to take a walk or bike ride. Lots of towns have parks where people can ride bikes, walk, or play on playgrounds. Do you have a park in your town? On special occasions, you may go out to eat at a restaurant. A restaurant is where a chef cooks food for you to eat. Do you have restaurants in your town? It's fun to play in the sand and waves at the beach. It's fun to swim in a pond or river. Not all towns have lakes, beaches, or rivers, though. Do you have a lake, beach, or river in your town? If you need to get somewhere and you don't have a car or bike, what do? You can go to a bus or train station and get a ride. Do you have a bus or train station in your city? These are just some of the places that may be in your town or city. Can you think of any other places that we can add to the list? Okay, kindergarten, here is your assignment today. You are going to draw and write about your favorite place to have fun in your town or city. So first, what you'll do in this box right here, you're going to draw a picture of that favorite place. And then you're going to finish this sentence. My favorite place in my town or city is, and you'll write the name of that place on this line. Then below, this says because. So on these lines, you have to tell me why that place is your favorite. Do the quick check, and then you will be done. Bye, kindergarten.